Hello and welcome to our how-to sessions. In this session, we'll learn about a very interactive feature called information rights management and email classification. The most common way for data leakage is email communication. With IRM, you can apply security compliances on emails which can delete mails after a specific number of views and days. This feature also prevents users from forwarding and printing emails. So let's learn more about how to configure IRM for Google Apps. Logging into Google Apps Admin Console, click on Apps, More Apps, and then Gcontrol icon. You will be automatically redirected to the Gcontrol dashboard. Go to the left pane and click on Rights Management. Click on Email feature and then click on Policy List. To create policy, click on Add Policy button. You will be redirected to the policy page. Give title and description for your policy. To enable the policy, check Enable checkbox. You can disable the policy by unchecking the same checkbox. To keep the policy valid all the time, check Valid Always option. To keep the policy enabled for a specific duration, define from and to dates. Define policy rules in order to automatically delete the mails after specific views and days and to prevent user from forwarding and printing their mails. As for current version of Gcontrol, information rights management is compatible only with Google Chrome browser. You can compel users to log in only through Google Chrome browser by keeping this option unchecked. If you want to allow users to log in through any other browser, you can check this option. Select the type of policy. Note that policy type once selected cannot be changed. In case of user-based policy, click on Add User button to add users to the policy. In case of multiple users, you can upload a CSV file by clicking on Import CSV button. In case you want to add all domain users to the same policy, check this checkbox. In case of OU-based policy, select the OUs to be added to the policy. To add IP addresses to the policy, click on Add IP Address button. In case of multiple IP addresses, you can upload a CSV file by clicking on Import CSV button. In case you want to restrict users from all IP addresses to the same policy, check this checkbox. Check Email Classification option to enforce users to attach an email classification label to the email before sending it. Select Email Classification Labels. Click on Save button to save the policy. To configure Email Classification option, click Rights Management, Email Classifier List. To create a label, click on Add Label button. Enter the name of the label. Define header and footer for the label. Check Enabled checkbox and click on Save to save the label. Hope you had fun. Looking forward to meeting you in our next session.